right, now let's get to another cocktail here. We're going to be making a Saturn cocktail because we got to get a little freaky fatiki. I don't know about you. Now, funny enough, the Saturn cocktail is a gin-based cocktail, okay? And we're going to be using Hendrick's gin for this, folks. I know what you're thinking. Tiki, where's the rum, Steve? Where's the rum? Where's the crazy flavors? Where's the exotic mugs? Well, the Saturn cocktail is one of those cocktails that really kind of was the really only gin tiki cocktail out there. It's a blend of gin, passion nectar, lime juice, velvet falernum, simple syrup. It is a nice, bright, sour forward style cocktail. I would almost put it in the same category as a lemon drop. All right, this is going to be served on the rocks because it's Saturn. We're going to serve a little round rocks glass here. Okay, let's get our mixing tin out. For this, we're going to start off with a ½ ounce of our lime juice. Ooh, man. Dropping everything today. ½ ounce of fresh lime juice. We're going to take our passion nectar. If you want to use the Goya, that is fine. You want to do something fresher and something more pure, that's fine. You want to make your own, that is fine. Goya, it's inexpensive. It's just about every store out there. Go for some Goya, guys, all right? So we have our passion nectar. We are going to add velvet falernum. This is a cool ingredient. All those geeky bartenders out there and geeky bartenders know what this stuff is. It is a rum and citrus forward and spicy kind of combination. It's only 11% alcohol, so it's got a high sugar content, but it really puts in these great tropical, funky flavors. So we're really only going to be adding a ½ ounce. It is a little bit intense. This is at a lot of liquor stores. We don't carry it, but I like it. It's great for drinks like this. All right, now we're going to take our pineapple simple syrup. We love going back to that, especially for tiki time here. And we're going to do a ½ ounce. Okay, and then we'll finish off. We're going to use our Hendrick's gin. We like our Hendrick's gin for this cocktail. That cucumber, that rose petal is really going to kind of come forward here. And it's going to make something really, really nice. Okay? Okay, and we can take our Hendrick's out of the way there. Ta-ta-ta, let's get our ice. We're like in the big cubes today. We got a lot of them made last night. Okay, that's actually our gin. We're doing good on time here too. It's 4:23-ish. Okay. I love summertime cocktails like this. It just reminds me of the warp that's coming, all the good times that are ahead of us here. Okay. That is looking pretty. I can only see it from this side here, but that looks rather nice. Give that a little slice there. Now, garnish on this one. I'm really just going to go with an orange peel. And I will probably, I don't know, I think that might be it. I think that's going to be it. I think that really is going to be just going to be called a Saturn cocktail. I don't have any brandied cherries. Nice Luxardo cherry would be perfect for this cocktail.